All right, we're here with Mrs. Smiley, and Mrs. Smiley, a few months ago you came into our office with some issues with a herniated disc in your low back. You sought treatment for us, and at the same time you were also diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis. You've been suffering with this for a while. What kind of shape were you in prior to coming into our office?
Well, I had hurt my back, and I think I did it lifting my little dog, and I was in right much pain, and of course I let it go for a while because I just thought, a lot of times things like that get better. Well, it didn't, and I think I let it go too long, so I finally decided I couldn't decide whether to come here. A lady that I had joined a Pilates class or Pilates class, and a lady there had told me about up here, and that she had a son that had hurt his back in playing football, and he was in right bad shape, and that he had come here, and that you all had really helped him, and she really recommended you highly. And then I had heard that you had a machine, that really works really good on the back. And so I thought, well, instead of going to an orthopedic, I would go ahead and try this out first and, see how things go. If it didn't work out, I could always go to another doctor. So, but I was in excruciating pain when I first came here. I couldn't hardly walk. I was all bent over, and I mean, it hurt 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And so I knew I had to do something. So I started coming here, and I've been coming for a little while now, and but things have improved so much. I am now, able to get back into doing things. I had to let so much go at home because I couldn't do it. I didn't feel like doing it, and I couldn't do it. So anyway, since I've been coming here, it has improved so much. I'm back into, doing things, careful how I do things, but back into doing my normal housework and stuff like that. So, and then, you mentioned the rheumatoid arthritis. That anybody that knows much about that knows it's an autoimmune disease, and I guess that's something that I will have, forever. But with working with you and everything, it has helped me learn a lot about my body and a lot of things that go on that foods, and it's just so many things that affects your body. And so I've been able to cut back, well, not cut back, but I've been able to change my diet and a lot of the foods that I eat, and I've also just that has improved my joints, my joint pain. I was taking medicine twice a day for pain. I've been able to cut back on that. Sometimes I don't even take that, just as needed. And I've been able to with working with you, I've been able to get the inflammation down in my body. So that has been a plus also. So.
Yeah, and with the rheumatoid arthritis, I know you're also experiencing a lot of stuff in the stomach and the bowels as well, some GI stuff. We talk about leaky gut syndrome and things like that.
Right.
Tell us a little bit about that stomach stuff you've been having.
Well, this started a while back too, and it's been going on for quite some time. And I was having this lower stomach and abdomen pain, and it just, it was that was pretty bad also. And I didn't know what was going on with that, so I've been to different doctors and had different tests done. And nothing really showed up, so I have been able to, with working, with you and my diet and everything over the period since I've been coming here, that has even settled down, and I'm not having any pain at all. Still have a little tenderness going on there, but whatever it is, I think that is healing up. So.
Beautiful, great. Now I know the most thing that you're most excited about is you've lost a few pounds, which has been great. What are we at so far as weight loss?
Well, I've actually lost about 25 pounds, and that's another thing that has been such a blessing. Over the years, I have just tried everything, and you'll lose a couple pounds, and then next thing you know, you're right back up where you started at. So it's like a yo-yo thing. So I've been able to lose that 25 pounds and keep that off, and I want to lose some more. But I honestly know that that has been because of the change in my diet and you know what's going on with my body.
Absolutely. Well, you've made some fantastic changes. We're very pleased with your results, and we're very thankful to have you as a patient. Thank you so much for your time.
Well, thank you for everything that you've done for me. I recommend Shenandoah+Clinic to anybody because you've just been able to help me tremendously, and I thank you all very much.
No, thank you.